ninth chapter probability. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2A part 5. Today last part completed important 4 marks problem by the definition of mathematical definition of probability. Today discuss very important repeated theorem in IB examination. Theorem, addition theorem on probability, very important. This theorem coming to the IB examination number of times. What is the theorem? State and prove that addition theorem on probability. You can write statement and prove that. Statement 2 marks, prove that theorem, you get 5 marks, total 7 marks. First you can write statement, very important statement. In this statement, E1 comma, capital E1 comma E2 being any two events, in a random experiment. Any random experiment, if any random experiment E1 comma E2 are any two events, and P be the probability function, capital P be the probability function, then P of E1 union E2 equal to, what is the formula? P of E1 union E2 equal to P of E1 plus P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2. This is the addition theorem on probability formula. What is that formula? P of E1 union E2 equal to P of E1 plus P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2. This can be read as probability of E1 union E2. You can read that is also be correct. Probability of E1 plus probability of E2 minus probability of E1 intersection E2. This is the addition theorem on probability. In this addition theorem on probability, E1 comma E2 are any two events in random experiment. P is the probability function. You can write this statement, you get 2 marks. After that it goes to proof. In this statement, you can write in this theorem proof. In this proof, having 2 cases, you goes to case 1. Case 1 is if E1 intersection E2 having pi. What is the meaning of this statement? Here this condition meaning what? Here E1 comma E2 having no common elements. You can draw the figure. Here E1 comma E2 two sets. This one is the E1 set. This one is the E2 set. In these two sets having no common elements. In these two sets having no common elements, that's why you can write E1 intersection E2 equal to pi. Here E1 intersection E2 equal to pi, then E1 comma E2 are mutually exclusive events. Which events? Mutually exclusive events. These two events are mutually exclusive events. In these mutually exclusive events, by the union axioms definition. What is the definition? By the union axioms. By the union axioms, P of E1 union E2 equal to probability of E1 union E2 equal to probability of E1 plus probability of E2. This is the definition of union axioms. This union axioms definition, given events are compulsory mutually exclusive events. Otherwise, this union axioms can be impossible. Here, this E1 comma E2 are mutually exclusive events. That's why you can write union axiom definition. After that, this is the suppose you have to take this one is equation 1. Here, E1 intersection E2 equal pi is given. After that, you can write probability of this one. P of E1 intersection E2. P of E1 intersection E2 equal to P of pi. What is the meaning of pi? Pi nothing but impossible events. Which event? Impossible event. In this impossible event having no elements, that's why the probability is 0. That's why you can write P of E1 intersection E2 equal to 0. This is a very important point. After that, you can write one implies P of E1 union E2 equal to P of E1 plus P of E2. This is there. You can write minus 0. Correct or not, students? First of all, check this is correct or not. Here P of E1 union E2 is there. P of E1 is there plus P of E2 is there. Minus 0. You can write minus 0. That value cannot be changed. That's why you can write minus 0. In this place of 0, you can write which value? P of E1 union E2 equal to P of E1 plus P of E2 minus this value equal to what? P of E1 intersection E2. P of E1 intersection E2. This is the statement. This is the formula of addition theorem. Correct or not, students? P of E1 union E2 equal to P of E1 plus P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2. Suppose we have to take this is equation 1. In this first case, you can prove that theorem. In this first case, E1 comma E2 having no common elements, nothing but E1 comma E2 are mutually exclusive events. In this mutually exclusive events, union axioms can be applicable, otherwise impossible. That's why you can write this is a formula of union axioms. This is a diagram of in this sets E1 and E2 having no common element. That's why that diagram sets no looping. Okay, students, this is the case 1. This is the case 1. Using case 1, you can prove that the addition theorem and probability. Next, you go to case 2. What is that case 2? Here, case 1. If E1 intersection E2 equal to pi, case 2 not equal to pi, case 2. E1 intersection E2 equal to pi, case 1. E1 intersection E2 not equal to pi, case 2. You can draw the first diagram. In this diagram, this one is E1, this one is E2. These two having not equal to pi have nothing but what? These two sets having some common elements. This is the E1 intersection E2. This one is the E1 minus E2. This one is what? E1 subtracted second element. This one is the E2 minus E1. This can be written as E1 minus E2 can be written as E1 intersection E2 complement. Complement nothing but that is not in the E2. That's why here we can write this one is a E2 intersection E1 complement. You can write this one or this one, anyone you can. After that here E1 intersection E2 having not equal to pi. Here you can write by the figure. E1 union E2 equal to meaning what? E1 union E2 nothing but E1 union E2 total. This total value equal to you can write E1 union E2 minus E1. Correct or not, students? Here this is E1. This is E2, this total is E1 union E2. You can write this E1, adding this part, you get E1 union E2. What is this part name? This part name is E2 minus E1. You can write E1 union E2 minus E1. And here E1 comma E2 minus E1 are mutually exclusive events. Correct or not, friends? Mutually exclusive events. Correct or not? Check. Here E1 intersection E2 minus E1 value equal to pi. Check. Here this one is the E1. This one is the E2 minus E1. These two having no common elements. That way that intersection value is pi. This intersection value is pi. That two having which events? Mutually exclusive events. Here you can apply this probability P of E1 union E2 equal to P of E1 union E2 minus E1. Here E1 comma E2 minus E1 are mutually exclusive events. By the union axioms, you can write P of E1 into P of E2 minus E1 since by the union axioms. Which definition? By the union axioms, P of E1 union equal to P of E1 plus P of E2 minus E1. Suppose we have to take this is equation number 3. Understood or not, students? Once again explain. In this E1 union E2, you can write E1 union E2 minus E1. Here E1 comma E2 minus E1 are mutually exclusive. That's why you can use union axioms. This union you can write plus. Okay, students. After that, by the definition once again, by the definition, E2 equal to which equal to E2. This total E2. E2 equal to E1 intersection E2 union E2 minus E1. Correct or not, students? Check. This is total E2. This E2 you can add in these two. This is what? This is which one? E1 intersection E2. This is which one? E2 minus E1. This is union of these two. Here once again E1 intersection E2 minus E1 have no common elements. Correct or not? This is E1 intersection E2. This is E2 minus E1. These two having no common elements. That's why these two events are E1 intersection E2 and E2 minus E1 are mutually exclusive events. Which events? Mutually exclusive events. That's why you can write probability this one you can write probability P of E2 equal to P of E1 intersection E2 union E2 minus E1. Here E1 intersection E2 and E2 minus E1 having mutually exclusive events. That's why you can write by the union axioms, you can write simply plus E2 minus E1. Here you can write which formula? By the union axioms formula. Which formula? Union axioms formula. In this formula, these two are mutually exclusive events. That's why you can write plus. You can find which value here? P of E2 minus E1. P of E2 minus E1 equal to P of E2 minus E1 equal to P of E2 minus this goes to here minus P of E1 intersection E2. This value substituted in equation 3. Substituted in equation 3. What is the 3 here? 3 is P of E1 union E2. This is 3. This is 3. P of E1 union equal to P of E1. P of E1 plus. What is the value of P of E2 minus E1? P of E2 minus E1 is P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2. This is the addition theorem on probability. Correct or check? P of E1 union E2 equal to P of E1 plus P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2. This is the addition theorem on probability. By the case 1, you can prove that addition theorem on probability. By the case 2, also you can prove that addition theorem on probability. This case 2 is very important. This case 2 having minimum 4 marks. Exactly minimum 4 marks in case 2. This case 2 you can simplify by using diagram figure, very important. You can use total problem solving. In these two conditions, what is the addition theorem on probability? P of E1 union E2 equal to P of E1 plus P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2. 90% coming to the IB examination, 7 marks in this addition theorem on probability. Sometime 4 marks coming. In this 4 marks problem, already problem statement are given. Only you can prove. Okay, students, this theorem you can read and write perfectly. You get easily understood in this model problems.